Hi, I'm Jerry Span, and I'm here to welcome you to the Philadelphia Home Show.
Hello, my name is Alan. I'm here to show you the Kitchen Plus 2000. This is a machine that'll chop, dice, mince, and puree nuts 2 cups at a time. Cheese, cooked meat, ham salad, turkey salad, chicken salad, all fruits and vegetables. The #1 use for it, chopping an onion. Take an onion, cut it so it fits between the bowl and the blades. You can do a little bit or you can do a lot. That's up to you. When you put the lid on, turn it like a jar. That locks the lid to the base. Your hand goes on top. Hold it like this and you'll sing that song, "Oh, he made it look so easy." Hand on top, 1 turn of the handle is 7 turns of the blade, and by the time you drag out an electric food processor, plug it in, I'm finished, and look at the job that it does. Now, you know it works really well, but they're dishwasher safe. You rinse it in hot or cold water. The blades are blender blades. They're surgical stainless steel. They're guaranteed never to rust or need sharpening. If you use this machine just 1 day a year, 1 day, let it be Turkey Day. Chopping celery with a knife, a real pain in the foot. With this machine, you chop a lot of celery fast and easy. Add a can of tuna fish, celery, onion, mayonnaise, pickles, olives, all at the same time. Egg salad, turkey, chicken, and ham salad. Just remember, the more you turn it, the more you chop it. And here's what perfectly chopped celery looks like. No lumps, no bumps, no strings attached. Now, everybody loves coleslaw. Nobody likes to make it. With this machine, you make coleslaw fast and easy. Take your cabbage. Big heads, cut it in quarters. Small heads, cut them in half. Cut the cabbage any way, shape, or form. Get it in the bowl. Add a little onion. Add a little carrot for color. The machine will do carrots for carrot cake, zucchini for zucchini bread, and horses for horseradish. Now, put the lid on. If you like it creamy style, add the dressing right now. I like it Italian style. I put a vinaigrette on. Hand on top, and you make coleslaw, hot slaw, pepper slaw, chow chow, Polish style kapusta. And look at this. How's that for beautiful coleslaw? Instantly made. Now, rinse it in hot or cold water, and we're going to change the machine over. Now you have a mandolin ring. Take this ring, put it on top. You have 4 different inserts. The first one is a slicing blade. The slicing blade is the one with just a straight blade, a safety holder so you don't cut yourself. We'll start with a potato. Take a potato, put it in the cowboy hat, and here you got cottage fries, home fries, scalloped potatoes. You'll slice ham, lamb, ram, sheep, and mutton, cut a cow in half, and that's no bowl. If you don't want to waste what's up here, food's expensive. Just press on the button, and you ain't seen nothing till you slice that mutton. And every piece perfectly sliced. You want a slice of onion? You don't want a chopped onion. Steak and onions, liver and onions, peppers and onions. Onion rings, just this quick and easy. Now this next one is my favorite. It's called a julienne cut. Julienne, a French word, stands for long and thin. And if you do any stir-fry cooking, you gotta love this. Do your carrots for carrot sticks. Do zucchini. Do it with a potato and you get those fast food French fries. That quick and that easy. Here, let's take a potato. Put it in the safety holder. Now like this, at an angle, and you make a whole bucket of julienne potatoes. Soak them in ice water, takes the starch out of them, and they'll fry up even crispier. Now, if you own one of these, you'll appreciate these next 2. This is a safety grater. It won't cut anybody. This here is for grating Parmesan cheese and cheddar cheese. But here's why we call it the Salsa Express. You buy salsa in a jar, you spend $2, $3 a bottle. It has things in it you can't even pronounce, much less want to eat. Watch what I make for 30 cents in 30 seconds. Now, plum tomatoes make the best salsa. They have the least amount of seeds. You get a nice chunky style salsa. A little bit of onion. Not too much onion, you wind up with onion dip. It'll overpower the other flavors. Couple cloves of garlic, a little cilantro. Love cilantro. Now you know you can take tomato, onion, garlic, and fresh basil. Chop it up, put it over Italian toast with olive oil. We call that bruschetta. Now, a jalapeno pepper. On a scale of 1 to 10, a jalapeno's a 2. If you like it hot, try a habanero. You know what habaneros are. Good and hot. A squeeze of lemon or a lime. I prefer the lime. I like the flavor better. Lemons and limes do the same thing. They add flavor. More important, it's Mother Nature's preservative. Keeps it fresh in your refrigerator for 5 to 7 days and a little salt. You put the lid on, hand on top, and this quick, you make a bowl of fresh salsa. Take the lid out, take the blades out. It has its own storage unit. Store it in the refrigerator or serve it right away. That's the Salsa Express.